am Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today for this wonderful Decorate a Lantern collaboration. This wonderful lantern collaboration is hosted by the Grace Light DIY Home Decor, Annalise Cupboard, Design with Emma, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Sasu Glam Style, Z9 Designs, Barbie Daily Rural Life in the Valley, May's Design Corner, Joyful Decor by Denise, and me, Jennifer at Home. All of these wonderful channels will be listed below. Be sure to check them out and subscribe for many, many more design ideas. I am all set to put my lantern together. I have all of my supplies gathered up and ready to go. I'm going to be decorating this lantern in black and white, snowflakes and ribbon. I have a nice big bow that I put together here real quickly with just some ribbon and a twist tie. I have a snowflake made of wood and some other snowflakes and black thread and scissors. Let me put this together and we'll see just how it turns out. The first thing I'm going to do is take this really nice piece of felt and cut it to size to fit in the bottom of the lantern. This felt is really nice and sparkly, just like snow. The best way to measure the felt for the lantern is to put it in and just make a crease right along the edges where you need to trim it. That way you can take it out and you'll have a really nice line to follow for the size of the square you need for the bottom of the lantern. I purchased these beautiful plastic glittery snowflakes from Hobby Lobby. I bought a box of small and large. I have some black thread and I'm going to tie it on each snowflake, and then I'm going to tie the snowflake through the top of the lantern right here. And the snowflakes will fall down right into the middle of the lantern. Just wrap the thread around the top of the lantern and just tie it. The bow will cover the thread at the top of the lantern, and our beautiful snowflakes will hang down inside. Time to attach our bow to the top of the lantern. I've added some white lights to the lantern, and now let's just take some more snowflakes and start adding in to fill in the space in the bottom of our lantern. Let's take a look and see how our beautiful snowflake lantern turned out. I am so happy and so grateful you were here today. I had so much fun putting together this wonderful, delightful snowflake lantern. It'll be perfect for the Christmas season. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.